Hi everyone, this is Nadia. Today I'm going to talk about the artificial ovarian tissue that has been reported by a group of researchers recently for the chemo patients. It is important to know about cancer as it is being a common deadly disease all over the world. If we have more knowledge about how to treat the loss from cancer, then it will help us to go back to the normal life again. The purpose of my presentation is to show how an artificial ovary helps a woman to conceive after aggressive treatments of cancer. So this is the structure page that shows what I'm going to talk about in my entire presentation. The deadly disease cancer. So it is taking so many people's lives all over the world. 5% of the women get cancer at the reproductive age. While the chemotherapy has been the most effective way to treat cancer, but it also has so many side effects. The ovarian tissue gets affected by the chemotherapy so badly. The therapy wipes out the tumor and also it wipes out the ovarian tissue sometimes. Preserving the woman eggs is 10 times higher than storing a man's sperm. So there is already an alternative way to preserve immature eggs. So this method is by extracting the ovarian tissue and then re-implementing the ovarian tissue after the chemotherapy. But it does not remove the cancerous cells because the scientists, they don't remove the cancer cells from the tissue itself. So there is a risk of getting back the cancer after re-implementing it. So this is the first artificial ovary. This is the first research that avoids the cancer to come back to life again after relocating it to the same spot and after all the aggressive treatments. The soapy detergent that is being used, so it will help the tissue to be free from the malignant cells. The experiment has been started and the researcher named Poor started the experiment by inserting decellularized scaffolds in a mouse. So she inserted the human follicles and mouse follicles. So the ovarian tissue, she knew that the ovarian tissue had to start making connection with the mouse circulatory system as fast as they can when she inserts it. The immature eggs can die if the process is taking too long. So after 3 to 4 weeks of processing, she noticed that 25% of the human and mouse follicles survived. So this is the first record that the human follicles surviving on a decellularized scaffold. So the researcher Poor Har method is more of a natural way. So the engineers and scientists are planning to compare the both mechanics of synthesis and natural way so they can understand the advantages and disadvantages and what to use for the chemo patients. While the synthesis polymers is more controllable for the scientists, but the natural way is more beneficial because it removes the cancer from the tissue. So there would be a need to wait 5 to 10 more years for this method to start because the research report is trying to explore more and she's trying to get more idea to make it more efficient. She is trying to make the woman, the chemo patient, to understand that it is not the end of their life. Her goal is to make them understand they will have the normal life again, even after all the aggressive treatments. And thank you guys for watching.